Hey Lopa, tomorrow no need make me porridge lah. I'll suffer the hospital food. Actually, the tilapia today not bad, quite fresh, steamed with ginger. But the vegetables, I tell you, if I have to keep eating the vegetables, I may die from it before anything else. And I get out of here, I want satay, I want... The nurse is here to jab me in the butt. Time to go.
Bye. Okay.
Hello, Ma. Liza tak ada kunci. Mami tunggu. Liza okay, jangan risau. Okay, bye.
Girl, are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
There's some water at the back if you're thirsty.
Thank you, but I'm okay for now.
I'm so tired of crying these endless tears. When you keep on doing me wrong. I'm glad you're gone. I'm glad.
I'm so sorry. Do you know sad songs are back in fashion again?
It's okay. You can leave it on if you want to. I'm better now.
By the way, I'm Beth and you are Liza, right?
You can call me Liza.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I might not be in any position to say this.
Yeah?
I've been in your shoes before. I know how you feel.
Are you married?
Yeah, for almost 40 years.
Any kids?
We tried as hard as we could, but no.
That's a very long time to be with one person.
I almost walked away when I was your age.
I see. What happened?
It's a long story. I'll start from the beginning, but you're not going to deduct any styles if I talk too much, right?
Of course not.
Right, so hold on tight. It'll be quite a ride. Well, you see, I think there are stages in a relationship.
You know, in movies, they always have happy endings. But in real life, it's actually the other way around. All the good things, all the joy, the surprises, the butterflies in your stomach, they all happen at the beginning of a relationship.
At this point, you see only good things. But what most people don't realize is, this is when the hard work has to start.
I think I worked pretty hard to keep this relationship intact, but I still couldn't keep it the way it used to be.
You can't. You see, People get comfortable with each other. And then,
After a while, you'll find his flaws. But of course, things that annoy you now are really no big deal back then. Both of you are still deeply in love. You enjoy his company, and the world around you disappears. You'll be thinking, nothing can bring you down at this point. But life, reality, and all the practical things slowly creep up on you, and you suddenly...
Sorry.
are you sure you don't want to take that call?
Now, where was I? All right, life creeps up on you.
Apa yang lawak sangat tu?
Tak ada apalah. Ada benda sikit dekat kerja.
You get so used to each other. You take everything for granted.
You kenapa ni?
Tak ada apa.
You start to fight more often until you get tired of fighting. You try to sweep things under the rug, pretending everything is okay. But at some point, you get a feeling you can't shake from the back of your mind. Asking questions like, is he seeing someone else? Has our love faded? You start to doubt your relationship. You doubt if this is the same person you've met some time ago.
Sekejap. Kali ni kenapa pula ni?
Tak ada apa.
It's easy to blame the other person in a relationship, but
At the end of the day, we are all responsible for how it all turns out.
Wait, sorry, but I really don't think I'm the one to be blamed in this. You don't know him. He's the one who has been neglecting me all this time.
all right.
A relationship is really like an old
Manual winding watch. You've got to wind it up every day. You've got to oil it every few years so the parts don't get cranky, so that you know it doesn't get damaged in the long run. Now let me ask you this. Have you been winding your watch?
and we're here.
I think I lost my ring.
Where did you put it?
I don't know. It was here just now.
You might want to call your mother. Tell her not to wait up.
Beth,
Yes?
did you ever regret going back to him?
Never.
It's the best decision I've ever made.
nurse is here to jab me in the butt. Time to go. Talk to you later, okay?